impact. Also going to be touching on even the level beneath that, and that's pre-malignant states, which before we've only stumbled on by accident while we're doing biopsies. And now for the first time we can intentionally go after cells to see if they're pre-malignant. Unfortunately, it's a very limited population and a limited sampling right now, so I would have to say, unlike an entire threshold lowering with new imaging, now that we're dabbling in the pre-malignant state, we're going to be looking for just at a small part of the pre-malignant cells, patients with pre-malignant cells out there. So what I'm going to be focusing on are new methods of imaging to get us to this level, and then new methods of detecting pre-malignant cells that will catch some of the women that are down here. So to start looking at beneath the surface, just beneath the threshold, barely beneath the threshold, let me touch on mammography as we're doing it today and why it will never be perfected, even with digital. Misdiagnosis is the most common legal problem. This is one of my favorite slides. It's an algorithm that is impossible to understand, but physicians are used to these and healthcare professionals, because you have these things you do and it leads you to another direction and on and on. But the reason this is interesting, this is not out of a medical journal. This is out of a legal journal. This is a lawyer's algorithm. And the lawyers look at each step that we have to do in trying to diagnose breast cancer, and the little letters, that's case law, the references to case law, where you then go nail the physician.